student, I am Miss Lamia Rababa from Taqarub International School. Today, inshallah, we are gonna answer the exercises from your workbook from your action pack book. So please open your workbook at page 38, unit 10 to do the exercises. Okay? Yes. Let's start. Okay? Now in exercise number 1, okay, look at this picture and try to describe the picture. Okay, yes, okay, by using or by answer the question, what is in the fridge? Okay, now first look at the picture here. This is what? This is a fridge. Okay, yes. Now my question is, what is in the fridge? Okay, then make a question like this example. Is there any milk? Yes. So in the fridge, okay, is there any milk? Yes. So look at the picture here. This is what? Milk. Okay, now we will make another question by using any. Okay, to make a question we will use any. Okay, now we will make a question about butter. Okay, so we will say, is there any butter? Okay, what is the answer? Yes or no? No. Excellent. So no, there isn't. Okay, now let's do another question, or let's make another question. Yes, are there any onions? Okay, look at the picture. Look at the fridge. Are there any onions in the fridge? Excellent. No, there aren't. Why we will use are here? Okay, in this question, and the first one we will use is. Excellent here, because we ask about butters, and this is uncountable and it's always singular. Okay, but here we will talk about onions, and this is countable noun and plural. Okay, if we want to make another questions, okay, we will ask about yogurt. Okay, is there any yogurt? Yes. Okay, now let's do the second exercise. Okay, the second exercise, look at the picture and complete by using some and any. Let's remember, when we use some and when we use any, we use some when we talk or in an affirmative sentence. Okay, but any we use it in a question and negative sentence. Okay, yes, let's start. Is there any rice? Okay, here we use any because this is a question. Okay, B, yes, there is. There is rice. Okay, which one is correct? Some or any? Yes, some. Excellent. Okay, but there isn't. Okay, there isn't. Some or any? Yes, any. Why? Because this is a negative sentence. Okay, let's continue. Are there? Yes, this is a question. Okay, in the question we use any. So are there any oranges? Yes. No, there aren't any oranges. Yes, so this is a sentence, and this sentence is also negative, so we will use any. But there are apples, so we will write some here. But there are some apples. Okay, now in exercise number 3, complete each sentence using, okay, the verbs between brackets. Okay, in this exercise, I will read the first sentence. Mom is going to the market to buy some fruit. Now I will ask you a question. Why is mom going to the market? Why? Yes, the answer, to buy some fruit. Okay, so here we will use the preposition to plus verb 1. Okay, so why is mom going to the market? To buy some fruit. The boys are going to the stadium. Why are the boys going to the stadium? To watch. Excellent. So we will use to plus verb 1. Watch. Yes. Okay. Aisha is going to the chemist. Why? To buy medicine. To buy medicine. Okay. Layla is going to the kitchen. Why is Layla going to the kitchen again? To make. Yes, to make. Excellent. Okay, they are going to a restaurant. Why are they going to a restaurant? To have. To have. Yes. Okay, now let's do this exercise. Okay, read and order. Okay. First, we will use there is some or there are some. Okay, again, we use there is some when we talk about singular countable noun or uncountable noun. There are some, we use it with with countable noun. Okay, but this noun will be a plural. Okay, let's start the first one. Okay, bread, we will say there is some bread. Bananas, there are some bananas. Okay, now coffee, we will use there is or there are. There is. Yes, good job. Okay, what about eggs? There are. Excellent. Okay, figs, excellent, there are. Okay, what about fruit? Yes, there is. Bravo. Okay, juice, excellent, there is. Lamb, yes, there is. Lamb. Meat, yes, there is. Okay, milk, there is. Okay, what about nuts? There are, yes. Okay, what about olives? There are. Bravo. Okay, tomatoes, yes. Okay, now in this exercise, we will complete each sentence by using is, isn't, are, aren't, some, any, yes or no. Okay, let's start. The second one, okay, we will make a question about this picture, okay, and we will say, are there any onions? So here we will write, are there any, olives in the salad? Yes, are there any olives? Yes. Okay, there are. Okay, there are some tomatoes too. Okay. Yes. Now we will make a question about the fruit, so we will use is. Is there any fruit on the table? No. There what? Okay, no, there isn't. Isn't any. Okay, no, there isn't any fruit on the table. Okay, let's continue. For are, why? Because we ask about eggs. What is this? Okay, so what are they? Eggs. Yes. Are there any eggs in the box? No. No, there aren't. Okay, there aren't any eggs. Okay, the last one. Yes, we will use is because we ask about butter and this is uncountable noun. Okay, any here because this is a question. So is there any butter on the bread? What is the answer? Yes, there is. Okay, thank you for listening.